Hey folks, this is Mark Dispersed Camperman, and I am currently dispersed camped in the Ozark National Forest. I'm about a mile south of East Fork Wilderness area, and I'm camped off of Forest Service Road 1311. And I found this cool little camping spot right here. Take a look. Yeah, folks, I found this spot right here off of Forest Service Road 1311. But Google Maps is calling the road Lindsay Mountain Way Road. And as always, I'm gonna go ahead and put the grid coordinates in the description of this video if you're interested in coming here. And on top of that, make sure your GPS takes you onto White Oak Mountain Road. If you don't go on that road first, it's going to try to route you through a log road that you won't be able to go down. So make sure you go on White Oak Mountain Road, then on to Lindsay Mountain Way Road. This is a pretty cool little campsite right here. It's so cool, it's got 2 fire rings right there. And I am definitely going to have to pick up some trash before I leave. What's cool about this spot too, it's got 2 log roads, or 2 log trails. I'm gonna do some hiking up there. And you got another one, another log road you can hike on right through there. Yeah, there's plenty of room right here. You fit 2-3 more RVs up in here. And a lot of tents if you need to. Now this road out here, 1311, is a high clearance vehicle road, so don't come down here in your car, nothing like that. I just saw a Jeep go by, so yeah. High clearance vehicles only. It's so nice out here. I gotta hurry up and get this video done because we got rain coming in. Rain coming in this evening here in the next couple of hours. It's supposed to rain 80% next 2 days, so I'm gonna try to get this video done before it starts raining. Yeah, folks, the main reason why I picked this spot is because of the Illinois Bayou creek. It's about 4 miles down this road. Now, you can go down this road, but make sure you use a high clearance vehicle, no cars, nothing like that. There are tent spots down there, or places where you can set up a tent. I would go down there myself, my truck camper, but there's really no space down there for my truck and my truck camper. So I'm stuck up here 4 miles from the Illinois Bayou. I might want to show you guys this Illinois Bayou down here. It is pretty neat. I think it's probably a pretty popular swimming hole in this area. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to jump on my motorcycle, go 4 miles down this road, and we'll show you the Illinois Bayou down here. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned. We heading down to Illinois Bayou here, about 4 miles down the road. Let's get started. I got about, according to the Weather Channel, I got about another hour and a half before it starts thunderstorming. It's supposed to be storming all day tomorrow, so I'll probably just throw on some rain gear and hike some of these log roads around here. You can tell this road isn't too bad. Not bad at all. There's some spots where you cross creeks, that's why you need high clearance vehicle. I definitely would not bring a car down through here. These mud puddles aren't too deep. Just like I was in New Mexico, I told you about the Avenza app. I'm using it here too. That blue dot's where I'm at on this road. It's showing it's a Lindsay Mountain Way Road. And I'm using the motor vehicle use map, Ozark, for this district and this area. All the woods are green and lush. Well, the way I found this spot was I was dispersed camping somewhere east of here, and what I do, I download my motorcycle and I just go run trails and roads, see what I can find. And I just happened to come up on this spot. I was like, score! That's out Illinois Bayou Creek up here. That's something else. Wait till you see when we get up here. It is pretty cool. It's on the big flat rock you can dive off of, jump off of. That being said, I'm pretty sure this is a popular hole for the locals around here. And I saw about probably 3-4 different sites you can throw up a tent and tent camp up here. And I looked and looked trying to find me a spot to put my truck camper at, but there's nowhere. There's really nowhere I can park it, be out of the way. But oh well. You tent campers can have it. About 4 miles up this road back there is where I parked at. It's a big spacious area. You see the creek right there through the woods. But there's a whole bunch of awesomeness. Look at that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make this right here. I'm going to drive out on the creek. Pretty cool. It's starting to sprinkle. Looks like somebody had a fire going. Look at this. This is the Illinois Bayou Creek. Let me take my helmet off, change cameras, so I get my iPhone out. Hold on. Yeah folks, this is the Illinois Bayou Creek, and it's just starting to sprinkle right now. Let me have you take a look around just a second. This is it, folks. Technically, if you wanted to, you could throw a tent up right here on this rock. Camp out right here on this rock. Because I was very tempted on pulling up my truck and camper up on this rock. This camper right here on this rock, but you know, other people might want to use this, so I decided against that. People have been building fires up here. Take a closer look. I'm pretty sure that water's pretty deep. I can't see the bottom. I wish I had this swimming hole as a kid, you know what I'm saying? Right down there, I'm fixing to take you. I'm gonna follow the road on around. But there's the river crossing, or the creek crossing to get to the other side of the creek. It looks like you take the creek up there. Some nice looking bluffs up there. a pretty cool creek, the Illinois Bayou. I wouldn't doubt there's fish in this either. I'm going to take you up here, back up to the road. You got two entrances here and there. I'm going to take you back up to the road and show you some dispersed camp spots up here if you want to camp up here. Yes, here's the dirt road we pulled off onto. I'm going to take you down this road here. Yeah, this creek's following the road right here. Pretty cool. I'm coming up to this creek crossing right here. Like I said in the beginning, make sure you follow the roads I told you to, because if not, they're going to try to put you on this road right here to come to this camping spot that I'm on. I don't think you'll be able to, unless you have a vehicle that can cross this right here. Here's a pretty neat little camping spot right here if you need it. Pretty cool. I don't know, you might have a vehicle that can cross this. Yeah, folks, and right across the street of the dirt road, but there's the creek across the street. If you go up here, there's a nice little camping spot up here. Pretty secluded. Perfect for a tent right there. Even got a fire pit. Also, if you're lucky, this roll of TP will still be here for you. It should be dried out by then. It looks like they added on to their space. Come right back here. There's another area for another TP or a tent. Pretty cool. And you're all in wilderness here. Even from across the road, you can still hear the creek. Also kind of see it too. Not too bad trash, a couple of cans. Maybe this TP top thing will still be here. I bet they had this covered. They had a can or something in there. You can go in there and do your business. Huh. Yeah. Maybe the bathroom will still be here if you try to come out here. Now this spot is right across the road from the creek. Push comes to shove, you got yourself a tent right here, probably somewhere. If you have one small enough. just looks beautiful down through there. Yeah, I might head back out here in the summer months. Yeah, folks, this is the Illinois Bayou Creek, and looks like the rain's holding off a little bit. It was sprinkling there for a second. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and throw up my drone, get some video of the area. Guys, appreciate you guys for watching. If you could, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, leave a comment if you like. Share my videos. It does help my channel a lot. Hey guys, thank you guys for watching.